Hello everyone, today we have it is a part 3 of this video where we told you that we are upgrading the Kongsberg system, and in this system we have upgraded to DPU units, power supply units, SPU units, and serial port converter CAN communication unit, as you can see. And we have completed our 80% of wiring for this system. It's a complete upgradation of the old system, which was SSU unit. Okay, here we are facing the problem of interfacing with your propulsion system, which is of Rolls-Royce. And here we have fitted the RPM sensor also. Wiring for all the sensor has been done and all the marking has been done in the circuit diagram. So you can see the neatness of the job. It is same like a retrofitting of Kongsberg. Okay, and I hope you will like our video, and special thanks to the team Wingineers for doing such a great neat job. And once this is completed, we will take the complete test video and we will come back, as the vessel is very old, so we don't have interfacing connections, which we are trying to locate, and it will get located. Thank you.